We've bought a caravan, we're going away. We're going to be doing a video of us actually sort of getting the caravan ready to go away, getting it all sort of set up and everything, so that's coming on soon. But today's video is what caravan have we actually bought. Now this video is sponsored by HelloFresh and we're going to give you more information about them in a while as well. So what caravan is it that we've actually gone for? We could have gone for a Swift, Bailey, Coachman, Bessacar, got Elvis over there, so what did we actually go for? Let's go and find out. This is it! So, literally bought this just to go away in. I don't think anybody really guessed in the comments what it was.
Didn't they?
No.
Oh.
We had the base camp,
Base camp's not big enough for us.
can't think what else there might have been, but some other ideas as well. But yeah, no, it is the Eccles X850, so basically the Swift X850, which, come and have a look at the layout in this. No window on the side.
Gives you an idea?
Because we get this lovely L-shaped lounge, big TV area at the front. Have we got a TV sorted yet for this? We were sort
a little one.
Now, this week's video, as I've mentioned, is sponsored by HelloFresh. So we're going away with the HelloFresh. We're not just saying on the videos, this is great, this is that. But this is actually what we're taking in the caravan. So we had some meals the other week that will be coming up in a minute, and I'll go through and show you what they were. But yeah, this is our box paid for by ourselves to go away in the caravan, nice and easy. So more important things, wine and beer. So lovely L-shaped lounge, and for us, our daughter, we've only got the one girl, so she's going to sleep on here as a single bed. We're not going to bother making the front bed up. We've then got a nice kitchen area, we've got a little fold-up unit, so cooking and preparing food, etc. We've got a good sized fridge, because obviously we're going to need a good sized fridge for all the beer and the wine. We've only got
squash.
A bit of squash in there at the minute. And then we've got our washroom in the middle, so nice big separate shower and toilet, usable. We're going sort of to a field, effectively, a car park. No real proper facilities, so we do need our own proper facilities. And then obviously we've got the island bed at the back, and we've got our TV set up now. One issue.
What?
Can't find the remote for the TV.
Oh.
Doesn't seem that this was left in here.
I was going to say
it is just a standard LG TV, so I might be able to make a remote work. But you shouldn't be watching TV in bed. You should be doing other things.
Oh, really?
Sleeping. So we have literally we had this delivered straight from where we bought it. We bought it from another dealer, in all honesty, and we had it delivered straight to home in the preparation for using it. So we've never tested anything on this, so we need to check everything is working. So that's another video that's going to be coming up. Let's go and have a quick look at the HelloFresh, see what that's all about, and we've got a special little code for you to get you 60% off. And then we've got a little bit on the build, because obviously the reason that we're using the caravan is that the build isn't done, so we're going to have a quick look at how that's looking. And then we're going to head over to Gailey and to Garden Village, because we've got some new stock that we bought along with this one that has just come in. So let's get on with... Oh, hang on a minute. It says here I've got to bash my meat. It is HelloFresh time. And this week we've got Tiggy's cheesy chicken parmigiana burger. And we've got the garlic butter lamb steak. So if you're looking for a quick, easy meal, which is pretty much 100% pre-planned out, all the portion sizes, complete instructions of how to cook it. Whether you're looking for healthy options, family options, vegetarian options, they have got you covered. So all different dietary requirements, tasty meals. They've even got puddings as well. So this week we've got the puddings. So the hardest decision that you're going to actually have is making a choice of what meals to go for. So yeah, the HelloFresh is very, very good. We've gone for the quick and easy meals. So basically, I think £3 odd per portion. I think it worked out a bit cheaper than that, didn't it? With the discount code.
Yeah.
But go on there, use your code. There's a little QR code coming up as well. doesn't matter whether you've got dietary requirements, you want low calorie, healthy meals, everything is covered on there. There's about 100 recipes as well that you can choose from, and free desserts as well at the minute. So very, very good. If you've not tried it, try it. As I say, we're actually money where our mouth is. We're using it for this weekend when we go away in the caravan. So let's head over to Gailey. Let's have a look what's going on there, and then, as I say, Garden Village, and then we'll probably have a quick little look back here because there's a few other bits in this that I've not shown you yet. Just done another antifreeze change on the Bailey Unicorn. And what we tend to use, instead of the Aldi fluid, we use the Extreme G40. Now this is an approved Aldi, so if you go into Aldi's website, or if you type in approved Aldi central heating fluid, this is one of their approved fluids, and it's a little bit cheaper than the Aldi one. Not a huge amount, but it is just a little bit, so when you're doing lots of Aldi fluid changes, it makes a difference.
Where'd you get that from?
Amazon.
Amazon?
Amazon.
Is it in your Amazon shop?
Yeah. I don't know whether they've got it in our shop. I think we'll have to have a look to see whether it's in our shop. Little Quasar. So this is just for its part exchange. Poke your head in there. They don't actually pitch their new van up till next week, so a nice little one. So that's a nice little one, 2009, that's just come in. As I say, that's in part exchange. We looked at the Lifestyle before, so two others that are coming over at Garden Village is we've got the pastiche.
At Garden Village?
Gailey. We're not at Garden Village today, we're at Gailey.
Why are these hiding behind the bag?
We've got to move a few bits around at the minute. So, yeah, they're just hiding. Is that the inside? No, it's on the outside.
Don't touch him.
2013 Coachman pastiche 545. So this is just coming. This has got the island bed at the back. We've got the coastline there, that's pretty much ready to go on sale, so we'll have a quick look in that one. This is a nice layout. And then we've got over at Garden Village, I don't know whether they'll come onto this video, we've just purchased 4 nice vans, and your favourite X850, haven't we?
Yeah,
so
our favourite.
Our favourite, yeah. So we're actually going to be using that ourselves, so it might be that we do a little video, because our camper build isn't ready yet. If you've not seen the camper build coming on, that's popping up now in the corner. But if you've not seen that camper build, yeah, have a look at that. And then, because that's not ready, we're going to still carry on using the caravan.
So that's not going on sale till after the bank holiday, that one?
Yeah, so we're going to be going away in the X850, so we might have a video of that. Nice van, isn't it? This has been well looked after.
Nice interior again, nice and light and airy, isn't it?
Yeah, nice Coachman van. Mixing up the coating for the rear ramp for the horse lorry. So basically, instead of using a rubber, so basically they'll normally cover the rear ramp with a rubber, and what we're actually going to use is a Raptor coating. So they do this obviously just as your normal spray on Raptor coating with a little spray gun that we've got down there, and that is it all done. So I've used 3 bottles of the Raptor coating, so it's basically 3 litre bottles there or thereabouts by the time you've had the hardener in. The first 2 coats, or the first 2 bottles, were just the standard covering, so I just tried to get a fairly even covering all over, and then the final covering I added the additive and sort of went over absolutely everything and tried to blend in any bits that weren't quite right. So hopefully that will dry nicely and give us a nice slip resistant surface. Go over at Garden Village and just trying to find the new ones that have just come in. So we had a little Osprey come in. I was going to show you that. That was a nice little side island bed. I can't see through the window. But that literally came in and got sold the same day. So there's not really much point showing you that. But that was a nice side island bed. We've got another Coachman. There's another Coachman up it. All the Deathless, so there's a separate video on the Deathless coming out. So that's got its own video, and we'll have a quick look in that on Sunday's video as well. Nice Coachman VIP 575. So this is similar layout to that Eldis Odyssey or Eldis 554 that was down the bottom. So a very, very nice phone. Just double check on the year. I think it's a 16. And then nice side island bed. Nice big washroom at the back. And then this is the VIP spec. So again, high specification level. So we've got the Aldi central heating. All the nice sort of bits and bobs throughout. That nice big panoramic sunroof at the front. So this is just coming over at Garden Village, and then we've got a few more due in over the next week or so. So that's what's been going on over at Gaelic and Garden Village, and the new ones coming in. We'd looked at a Samsung or an LG or something.
I think it was Samsung, I think.
42 inch, and I never
measured it.
Did I? We was going to buy the TV that would go in this for now, and also to go in the build. So that once we've got the build up and running, we've got the TV, and I just with one thing and another.
You didn't have the time. Do you just attach a bracket to that plate?
Yeah, so bracket just literally slides into here.
Yeah.
Wires then just go through, and all the TV socket and everything is
through there.
Yeah. Nice storage on the Eccles X850. This drawer is normally where we put our bottled water, so nice big depth of cupboard, and we've got loads of storage above as well. Nice pull out drawers on this one, so if I undo the lock, all extra storage for all the bits and bobs, and then our drainer and cutting board etc is on the top, and then pull out drawer for our cutlery etc. Now important, what is really good about this one is that we've got the proper touchscreen display, so a lot of the newer ones now don't have that, so that's a nice thing. The Aldi central heating, again, we need to double check that that's all working, check all the fridges working. So we've got a video coming up that's going to go through, and I'll show you how we basically get this ready to go away, checking it all through, make sure everything is all doing what it should be doing. So hopefully you've enjoyed this sort of fast, furious, here, there and everywhere video. As I say, sponsored by HelloFresh. Use your discount code now that's coming up, use the QR code, and you can get 60% off. And again,
and
have a look,
desserts.
and free desserts as well. So head into the description, you'll find a link as well to their website, and you can go and order. So hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, drop us a comment, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. I'm Mark at the Caravan Place. Oh, I wonder if they noticed that I'd had my hair cut in between doing the different videos.
Oh,
continuity went completely
Continuity.
out the window, didn't it? So I wonder if anybody noticed. Let us know in the comments if you did.